everyone, so welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you that how to apply the mockup on this design. So let's start the video. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. First of all, press Ctrl C to copy this design and go to the Photoshop. And here I open the Photoshop mockup file. You can easily download this mockup design from this website. So double click on this layer. And then press Ctrl V to paste it here. Go to the edit and then transform and then scale. Adjust it and drag it to center. Then click on the tick mark. Click on the previous design and hide this layer. Press Ctrl S to save it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for my upcoming videos, as well as follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, and I will be right back with another amazing video, and I hope that you will enjoy this video.